everyone, Jeremy Gunslinger here. At the end, after I'm get done talking and explaining kind of some things that went wrong on the range, and kind of what I did. Well, and I've been sick, and so I've been having to take night medicine, cold medicine. So I wrote everything down so I could make this video kind of understandable. But anyway, we were shooting the HSM Cowboy Action cartridges, 45 long Colt, 200 grain, round nose, flat point. Shot out of the Remington New Model Army, the new one that I got. That, well, midway you lost a customer. Traditions, you lost a customer. Because as soon as I went to go talk to them, hadn't shot the R&D cylinder yet. I called them at the range. Gun was out of warranty as soon as I got it, apparently. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, and 2 pins broke in the loading lever, and I'm waiting on parts to get here to fix it. I had a screw that would fit the threads and everything, so it's holding it together until now. I don't want to trust it to shoot unless I had to. The barrel is 8 inches. The cylinder and everything works perfectly in this Remington. Perfectly. That little creep back problem, I no longer have that problem with this cylinder. Like in the last video I was talking to y'all about it, I no longer have that problem. I don't know what happened. I don't have it. Let me get this one. I don't have it in this cylinder, which is another one I bought. It's from Cabela's, and instantly better. Well, I bought it off somebody else who I got it used, who got it from Cabela's, but still. I'll put that back up there. That's not the one we're talking about. So yeah, big difference. Now, I usually don't like Cabela stuff. They're usually overpriced sometimes. A lot of times they're overpriced. But anyway, at 30 yards, I hit a 12 inch by 18 stillhouse target 13 out of 15 times. Now, by this time, I had already shot the Navy a few times. I had shot a 20 gauge, I had shot a 22, I had shot my 50 caliber. I had shot 5 Johnson & Dow offhanded. I had done a lot of stuff with this hand. My shoulder, my arm was tired. And trying to get this fixed, I was extremely PO'd by the time. I actually had to redo that video 5 times because I kept swearing out traditions. Yeah, if you're gonna be a YouTuber, don't make them when you're mad. Yeah, that's not a good idea. But anyway, where was I? And also, the last 2 shots, one went high, me. One went low, also me. So, if I took me out of the equation, trying to say big words on cough medicine, not good. The weight in the 8-inch barrel helped control the recoil of 45 Colt ammo. It really did. I've shot the same kind of ammo out of a Colt Peacemaker. It had out of a 5.5-inch barrel, and it was a little bit of a, here we go, boom, and I learned to boom, cock it as it went down. But this one, it was literally boop. I'm going to do another video with the other one. I don't know. We'll probably do it with this one. We'll figure something out. And we'll be me. You'll be able to actually see me because we got a new camera. We got a new tripod because that one broke. I might have Yeah, let's just not go there. Uh, and we got targets, and I got something to rest up and everything. So we had a 3 to 5 mile an hour wind. It wasn't really heavy. It wasn't really blowing into the microphone of the camera. But it was, there was still a little bit at the wind by the time I got to this revolver. And it was starting to become cloudy and everything. I have going to try to brighten it up as best I can, but cloudy day, guys, I won't do the best I can. So don't expect too much. It was favoring to the right a bit, and I wasn't used to it out of this revolver, so and I found out the revolver sight actually has a dent in it. So that's probably why it's on the side it was favoring. I don't know if that had a problem to do with it or not, but I'm going to first de-round it. And then, because that'll take the dent out, because it's like, and make it a little bit more sharper pointed. Someone's told me to do that, and to make sure that this right here is square, not rounded. But anyway, I'd highly recommend the SW Cowboy Action cartridges and the Taylor & Company's cartridge conversion for your Remingtons. If they've got one for the Ruger Old Army, the 1860, this time we're just kind of throw lead down range. And by the way, here is the target that I shot at 30 yards. At the man-sized target. That's a flyer. That, I don't know where that one came from, but it still would have nicked you. This one's actually 2. And don't know why that one tore like it did. But it did. The overall group minus this flyer up here is, where is it? 9 and 1/4 across and 9 inches minus the flyer. With the flyer, it's a little under 13. From there to there, it's a little under 13. So at 30 yards, you're most likely going to hit any. Ah, my nose, guys. Sorry. You're gonna hit your bad guy. Well, but later on, since I got the other Remington, and I haven't converted it to where it'll take just cartridges. I'm gonna use that other Remington to load up this one cylinder with the Johnson & Dow, another conical that I have found, Lee conical that I have found that works for it. It's a 4.52. It shaves 1,000th of a lead off, and then the 45 long Colt, and we're going to see what kind of damage they do. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I hope you have a great day. Alright, guys, you were going to get to see the cap and ball version of this Remington, but while loading the round ball, this loading lever decided to give out, and I had to jerry rig it so I could do this. And yes, I shot 10 rounds just to make sure it will hold up. I have the Dragoon problem. It shoots, this falls, but other than that, it stays pretty secure. We're going to be shooting that black paper target down there. I'm going to be aiming for the red, see where it shoots. It'll have to be, we'll probably have to zoom in so we can see. And so you won't be able to see me shoot it. But we're gonna do, I want to, let's get to that. I want to make sure I was in camera frame.
Okay. Wait a minute. When I zoomed, I gotta...
You gotta adjust.
Yeah. Gotta shake the camera for a few minutes. Okay.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Alright. 45 long Colt out of the Remington. New model Army. Nice to shoot this thing cap and ball, but oh well. We'll be shooting it at the red center. High and right. Right?
I can't see it on here. I've got it zoomed as high as I can. I can't see it.
Alright, pause it. We'll make it to where they can see. So yeah, it was high and right. So, see if that's where the group stays.
Oh, left, almost perfect center.
Yep. And I didn't adjust anything.
Right middle. Right and to the center, but not.
I see. I went left, didn't it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I can't tell.
Pause it so I can load up another cylinder. Alright, it looks like it's favoring on the right. Let's see if I can't bring it over to the left a little bit more and put some more freedom seeds in the target.
Right. Left. Right. Right. I can't see where that one went.
Alright, let's do it again.
You go set it up this time.
Alright. Last 5 shots because it's starting to get blue cold. Ah. Well. Hold on. Pause it again. Screw came loose. Alright. Last 5 shots.
Low and right. Way high.
I saw where that one hit. It took a...
It took a chunk of my garden.
Oops.
Low.
What?
That one was low.
Yeah, that just slipped out of my hand a little bit. Alright. Oh, now I can actually hear myself. That's the last one, guys. Hope you've enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.